3 simple steps to lose weight and keep it off. Losing weight is always the most popular New Year's resolution. Most people likes to lose weight, but can't keep it off. Most diet plans leave you feeling hungry or unsatisfied, or they cut out major food groups and are not sustainable. These are major reasons why you might find it hard to stick to a healthier eating plan. Focusing on long-term health and habits that you can stick with over time will help improve your health and are more likely to result in lasting weight loss. A steady weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week is recommended for the most effective long-term weight management. Here are the 3 simple steps to lose weight. 1. Cut back on refined carbs. One way to help lose weight quickly is to cut back on sugars and starches, or carbohydrates. This could be with a low-carb eating plan or by reducing refined carbs and replacing them with whole grains. When you do that, your hunger levels go down, and you generally end up eating fewer calories. With a low-carb eating plan, you'll utilize burning stored fat for energy instead of carbs. If you choose to eat more complex carbs like whole grains along with a calorie deficit, you'll benefit from higher fiber and digest them more slowly. This makes them more filling to keep you satisfied. Long-term effects of a low-carb diet are not known yet, so a reduced calorie diets could be more sustainable. 2. Eat healthy protein, fat, and vegetables. Aim to include a variety of foods at each meal. To balance your plate and help you lose weight, your meals should include a protein source, a fat source, vegetables, and a small portion of complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains. Protein is essential to help preserve your health and muscle mass while losing weight. Healthy protein include meat, fish, eggs, and beans. Healthy fats include nuts, seeds, olives, and avocado. Limit butter and coconut oil. Vegetables are nutrient-rich and healthy. Some vegetables such as potatoes are high in carbs, so be mindful of not eating too much of these. Vegetables to eat more include broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, kale, lettuce, cabbage, cucumber, and peppers. 3. Exercise. Exercise can help you lose weight more quickly. Lifting weights has particularly good benefits. By lifting weights, you'll burn calories and help prevent your metabolism from slowing down, which is a common side effect of losing weight. Try strength training 3 to 4 times a week. If lifting weights is not an option for you, doing some cardio workouts such as walking, jogging, running, cycling, or swimming. Both cardio and weightlifting may help with weight loss and offer lots of other health benefits. Here are some tips to help you lose weight. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Eating a high-protein breakfast could help reduce cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. Limit sugary drinks and fruit juice. Empty calories from sugar aren't useful to your body and can hinder weight loss. Stay hydrated. Drink water throughout the day and aim for half your body weight in ounces. Eat more fiber. Eating fiber may promote weight loss. Find fiber in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Drink coffee or tea. Caffeine consumption may help boost your metabolism, but don't go overboard on caffeine and be mindful of adding sugar to these drinks. Base your diet on whole foods. They tend to be nutrient-rich, more filling, and less likely to cause overeating than processed foods. Eat plants. You can eat all you want without gaining any weight if you are eating green vegetables without any unhealthy added seasonings. Carrots work too. In fact, if you are getting full from eating only healthy foods, you won't have to eat any bad foods. Eat slowly. Eating quickly can lead to weight gain over time, while eating slowly makes you feel more full and boosts weight-reducing hormones. Get good quality sleep. Sleep is important for many reasons, and poor sleep is one of the biggest risk factors for weight gain. Reduce stress. Most people eat and snacks when under constant stress. Watch less television or surf the internet. Couch surfers tend to eat and snack while not moving. The more television they watch or more internet they surf, the more weight they gain. Find replacements for comfort food. Emotional eating can quickly detail all weight loss efforts. When you feel stressed, the cortisol level raises. Eating triggers the release of the feel-good neurotransmitter dopamine, raise levels of oxytocin, the love hormone. But soothing touch, playing with a pet, or getting a hug can also release oxytocin. So try to play with a pet or getting a hug instead of eating when feel stressed. Find a partner. Research shows being accountable works. In one study, 2/3 of participants who joined a weight loss program with friends maintained their weight loss for 6 months after the meetings ended. This compared to just a quarter of those who attended on their own. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating that involves regular short-term fasts and consuming meals within a shorter time period during the day. Studies have found this method helps losing weight. Most common intermittent fasting is the 16/8 method. You fast for 16 hours a day, and only eat in moderation in an 8-hour window. For most people, this 8-hour window is noon to 8 p.m. Another common intermittent fasting is the 5:2 diet. You fast on 2 out of 7 days of the week. On fasting days you only eat 500 calories. Summary. It is important to remember that there are no quick fixes when it comes to weight loss. The best way to reach and maintain a healthy weight is to eat a nutritious, balanced diet. This should include 10 portions of fruit and vegetables, good quality protein, and whole grains. It is also beneficial to exercise for at least 30 minutes every day, and get a good night's sleep. Health is very important to everyone. Don't let other activities consume all of your time and energy. Proper awareness and attention to early signs of abnormal symptoms are keys to keep us healthy. Early treatment is always more effective than late emergency actions. May you stay healthy and have abundant of happy life. Please like and subscribe this channel for more health-related videos. Thank you.